Alright, so now basically what we want is to get the limits of integration. So what was given to you all was triple integration z square over over x square plus y square plus z square dx dy dz. Now in class I have taught you all to consider the order dz dx dy. So you all can change the order of integration to dz dx dy because right now you all have not been given any limits. So what you can do is you can write it as triple integration. You can write it as triple integration z square upon whatever that is given in the denominator dz dx and dy, because right now no limits are given. So you write it by changing the order of integration. And now at this point you will use your spherical coordinates. So what will happen? Dz dx dy will become rho square sine phi d rho d theta, and z square will become rho square cos square phi. So rho square cos square phi with the rho square sine phi will become what you see in the numerator here, divided by rho square, because x square plus y square plus z square is rho square. Now you cancel it out and simplify, and this is what you get. All right. So that's with regards to your integrand. Now let's look at the limits. So if you look at the limits, the first limit is going from 0 to cos phi. The second limit is going from 0 to pi by 2, and the third limit is going from 0 to 2 pi. How? So let's look at the limits on rho. So to get the limits on rho, I will stand at the origin, shoot an arrow. Wherever I shoot the arrow, it is coming out of the sphere. What is the equation of the sphere in terms of rho? It is rho equal to cos phi. So rho starts at the origin, which is 0, and comes out of the sphere where rho is equal to cos phi. So therefore the limits for rho will go from 0 to cos phi. What about the limits for phi? How are the limits for phi going from 0 to pi by 2? On the z-axis, here at this point phi is 0. Sweep the region on one side, and at this point, that is when you come back here, phi is equal to pi by 2. So just one side of the sphere that we have considered. So phi is going from 0 till pi by 2. Now you need to get the limits on theta. To get the limits on theta, please project this sphere onto the xy plane. When we project it onto the xy plane, obviously we are going to get a circle. If we get a circle, theta is going from 0 to 2 pi. It is a circle centered at the origin. So theta goes from 0 to 2 pi. Later what we do is, to solve the integration, I put t as equal to cos phi and proceed with the integration, and the answer you get is pi by 9. So I have done the integration here. Kindly note.